Welcome, allies. Today's owner empowerment series is going to be on how to winterize your new Valor toy hauler by Alliance RV. To winterize your Valor, you're going to need the following items. You're going to need an air compressor with a tire chuck fitting on the end of it. You're going to need a blowout plug, a short 3 to 5 foot section of hose with a male end, 3 to 5 gallons of RV safe antifreeze, and you're ready to go. The first step of this process is to open up your low point drains, your freshwater drain, and all your plumbing fixtures inside and out that you can get to. Your low point drains are actually located on the manifold block here. Just rotate the dial on the hot and the cold to let those down. The freshwater drain is located coming out of the underbelly. It's a white 1.5 inch valve with a T-handle on it. Pull that open to dump your freshwater tank. Then it's onto the inside to open up your plumbing fixtures, such as your kitchen sink, your bathroom sink, your shower, and your toilet. The second step in the process is to drain the water out of your water heater. This is done by easily just removing the cover, releasing the pressure relief valve so there's no more pressure in the tank, and then with a 1 16th inch socket, remove the anode rod or drain plug, and the water will start to come right out. The third and final step of removing the water from your plumbing lines is going to be to blow them out. This is easily initiated by having a valve here, putting it on your city water connection. This is an air valve. So now, with your compressor set to no more than 40 PSI, you're going to want to take a tire chuck, connect it, and start to blow out your lines. It's just that easy. So now with the water drained out of the coach, it's time for phase 2. Now we're going to work on prepping the coach so we can get the antifreeze to start pulling through the lines. The first thing you want to do, set the settings behind the panel here. There's a gray felt panel that removes with a bungee cord. Pull that to the side. You're going to find 2 quarter turn dials back here. One's going to say winterize, one's going to say bypass. Both of those need to be turned 90 degrees to allow the proper functions to happen. Once that's complete, now we're going to want you to take your short bit of hose. You're going to put it in the winterize. Screw it in nice and secure. Once that's secure, open up your RV safe antifreeze. Put the open end of the hose as well as you can into there. Now please note, make sure this hose is 3 to 5 feet in length. The longer hose may struggle to pull out the antifreeze. Also, instead of setting it on the ground, make sure it's up level or above the inlet. You'll get the best performance out of your pump that way. Now we're ready for the third step in this process, and that's actually pulling the antifreeze through the water lines. And to do that, make sure your dial here is set to dry camp, and then all you have to do is turn on your water pump. It'll start to draw that solution up through the line and into your water lines. Now with the water pump running and solution going through your water lines, now it's time to go open up one faucet at a time or one fixture at a time and make sure that we're getting pink solution coming through. This includes the kitchen faucet. Make sure you check for both hot and for cold. Then on into the bathroom and your bathroom sink. Again, hot and cold. Into the shower, turning on both handles, making sure you're seeing that pink solution come through. For the toilet, make sure you push down the foot flush. Wait till you see the solution start to come through here again as well. And if your coach is equipped with another half a bath, make sure you get the sink and the toilet in there as well. Once you're done getting the winterizing solution through all of your fixtures, now it's time to just do some cleanup. But before you put the antifreeze away, make sure you splash a little bit in your P-traps just for good measure. But now, your coach will be ready for a good night's rest.